Alright guys, welcome back to CG Family Farm. Today we got a quick little project we got to knock out because it's already 8:15 right now. We're going to see how long it takes us to unload 3 tons of asphalt millings off this trailer. Yes, we do have a tractor. Not sure we're going to be able to use it the whole way through, but we're going to give it a try. So that is the challenge for today. We're going to try to unload these asphalt millings, hopefully in 30 minutes.
Challenge accepted.
So here in the city of Dalton, Georgia, they actually give away these asphalt millings, and I went through and picked up 3 whole tons in that double axle trailer. It struggled a little bit. If you can see, the tires are like right there to the brim of the actual fender. The truck, it did good. These Chevys hold up pretty darn good, guys. So now the thing is, we have to unload that before it gets dark today, because tomorrow we have a little tractor job and we have to be ready for it. So let's not waste any more time of daylight and let's get going. To make this quick and easy, the challenge is to actually unload the trailer, all right? I'm not saying we're gonna spread it all out and make it all even with the tractor. The only challenge we have right now, in 30 minutes, we have to unload 3 whole tons right here. Anywhere right here is fine. We can still drive around the bottom side of this driveway and get in and out. So I just need to unload it right here. Santi, can we unload 3 tons of asphalt millings in 30 minutes? Can it be done?
Yeah, and the other day and last night we just like fixed this
A few moments later.
this thing.
Exactly. If he believes we can do it, we're gonna do it. Just so you know what time it is 8:22, Thursday, May 11th. All right, guys, so 8:22, we're gonna try to beat this sundown. Well, it's already down. We're gonna try to beat the darkness. All right, let's get going, Santi. We got work to do. All right, plan B, that's not working out. That's not being efficient. You can't get too close to the actual side of the trailer because of the rails and because of those little front bumpers that tractor has. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to hit from back there now, pull it forward, come from behind, and hopefully I can back scrape it. Let's go. So I guess you could say the hard part was done. That was a pretty good bit that I was able to actually do with just scooping it back with the tractor. Now we still got to get all this off. I don't want to do it by shovel. It's still getting kind of late. We started at what, 8:22, 8:37 right now. Pretty good progress. So 10 more minutes, and Santi, you gonna be able to do it?
Huh?
Alrighty, then let's go. Let's get to work, man. Let's get rid of all this asphalt. Get it on the ground. So I guess the next plan is to try to actually like grab this tarp, fold it over little by little. Some of it I might have to throw it out by the shovel. Once I fold it all over, then I'm gonna either try to grab it with a tractor with a rope and pull it back. If that can't happen, then we're gonna try to tie it to the tree. But one way or another, we're gonna get rid of all this asphalt here in the next few minutes. Santi, we got no choice. If we're gonna finish this challenge, we gotta do it by hand. You can only use a tractor so much, guys. It still helps out a lot. Because I mean, we're only like 20 minutes in and I already got more than half of these 3 tons unloaded. But I have to do the rest of a 1 ton left by hand. We're about to do it. Let's go, Santi. Huh?
Mommy's the camera girl.
Huh?
Camera girl.
You gotta grab a shovel too.
Here, Mommy. Shovel.
Bobby, can I put water?
Huh? Yeah, but Santi and Puppy can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you, Santi.
And I believe in you, Bobby.
Whew. You believe in me? Almost there, guys. Where we at? 8:50. We started at 8:22, but I did have to run in, get another battery, get another memory card for the GoPro. So take 5 minutes off that. We got like 10 more minutes and we knock it out in 30 minutes, all right? Almost. Come on, Santi, we're almost done.
And even this is a lot than I thought. It's a lot. It's like 5,000. It's a lot of it. It's like 5,000.
What was that, Santi? What'd you say?
I said, I believe in you, Shovel.
You believe in the show I can do it, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
It
makes it go faster. You see that boy? He believes in himself. That makes him stronger. That makes him go faster. That's how you gotta raise them, guys. Part of the family farm lifestyle. I think she became part of the challenge too. Look at her. She got her broom. Let's go. We're almost done. We're almost done. We got 8 minutes. Hard to focus. 8 minutes. All right, 8 minutes. If we finish this in 8 minutes, we're gonna have to get at least 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes on this video, guys. Let's go.
going good, guys.
We're going super fast. We got a vlog, so we're going super fast.
We're going super fast and this is my shovel. Give us a thumbs up with it. It's all clean. Look at this, guys. All of this.
Oh, let me show the time.
Is all-
I gotta show the time, Santi. 8:57 right there. Challenge complete, Santi. Great job, man. You really helped me out doing all the shoveling, right? All right, so can 3 tons be unloaded in 30 minutes? Yes, it can. How can it be done? With the help of a little subcompact tractor, a little son, the wife, the daughter, and a little family farm muscle, guys. That's what it's about. Out here on the family farm, you know, it's about having fun, getting things done outside. But in the end of the day, progress does make you feel better. That way, if you guys are into this lifestyle right here, family farm lifestyle, please head on over to familyfarmlifestyle.com. Get all your merchandise to represent your very own farm, to represent your very own family, to represent all the hard work you guys put out there from the beginning to the end of all your projects, of bringing up a little farm, backyard farm. It's just an awesome feeling, guys. So thank you very much for being here. Again, I gotta thank the family, wifey, thank you very much. Santi, thank you. That subcompact tractor never fails. And we are done unloading that trailer. 3 tons in 30 minutes, guys. Woo, broke a sweat, but I still gotta shower up and get ready because I gotta work tonight. So I'm gonna wrap things up, and until next time, you guys get out there and have fun.